Welcome, everyone. I am Pascal Clement, founder of Percentum, and your trainer. Are you looking for an easy way to implement the total predictive maintenance into your facility? If you're curious to see a simpler, better way to do things, or just looking for efficiency to engage your people with simple, straight to the point, and useful tools, embedded in a process that influences the culture of your company and the direction for success, then this training is for you and your people. It is one of the performance-centered asset management training set, the Total Predictive Maintenance Tools. The set of training also includes the foundational processes of asset management, the reliability-centered maintenance tools, the root cause analysis tools, and the reliability data in-depth training. The set of training is available in English or French, online, on-site, in public session in partnership with universities in France and Canada. Support is also available through consultation services tailored to your operational context. Let's build together a sustainable and safe future. To know more, visit percentum.com. This is percentum.com. Thank you for your attention. Get on the training and do not hesitate to reach out for more info. Cheers. This was Pascal Clement, founder of Percentum. Percentum.com.